camera I use for my YouTube videos. This is the lens that I use back here for long photography. Another one I'm looking at here. Actually, either one of these microphones would be pretty good. I wanted to look for a video. So, let's go ahead and see what this is gonna do to her. It's cold as a motherfucker out here. It's -7 degrees Celsius, and I'm just trying to catch the last hour of sunlight to make a vlog for today. What did I do today? I made a video on Playboy Cardi's demonic locks. I tried to book an appointment for an ultrasound because my ankle is kind of iffy and I won't be able to get in there for another month, which means that by the time I get in there, my ankle might be healed. So that's that. I rolled a spliff and we're gonna smoke. I was trying to locate a video camera today. Specifically, it's called a Panasonic DVX100A. I used to have this camera in 2008 and it got stolen from me, and I was gonna pick one up for nostalgia, but it's about $350 plus a 2-hour drive. So it's not really worth it for me to pick up that camera. It's a broadcast style camera, like a bigger one, and I think that when I do finally pick up a bigger broadcast style camera, it's gonna be HD so that I can actually make some really good vlogs with it. So for now, my retro grade is gonna stick with this Panasonic here. Here's one thing I always find myself doing with dreadlocks is this. Whenever I need to get my long locks out of the way, there's always that flick happening right there. Always. Just. And then the next one would be to grab two random locks, and tie them. Now I'm ready to eat. Do any of you guys have to go through similar situations? Backlight function, so check this out. Since the sun is behind me and I turn backlight off, you can't see me, I'm a silhouette. But if I turn backlight on, then it adjusts the picture so you can see me. Yo, vlogging on this camera is sick, retro style. I'm gonna be the only DreadTuber that vlogs. Retro. 1999 is retro, right? Not vintage, it's retro. Yeah, boss. Ziggy boy, what are you doing under the table, man? Hey, buddy. What you saying, bro? Yeah, what up? Good afternoon. Making some lunch, then I gotta go to the Wata store. Drink out of these big ass distilled reverse osmosis. It's reverse osmosis water. Wow, I look high off that spliff. And I'm gonna take you on a journey to the store that I go and pick it up from, because I try not to drink tap water as much as possible. I'll be honest, I do drink it from time to time, but on the majority of the scale, I'll try to drink RO water. For lunch, We got some Caribbean food. Okra, sweet potato, rice and peas with a veggie patty. And we don't use microwaves. So everything is cooked up slow time with the oven, conventional oven. And that's pretty much it for right now. So it's a cold January day in 2022. And I felt like bringing out the vlog. So let's go away. Yeah, man. What are you looking for, Ziggy? Hey. Yo, Jamaican patty, if you open them up, you can stuff them like a sandwich. I don't know if you guys ever heard about the stuffed patty before, but I didn't stuff this one. I was trying to, I couldn't find nothing, so I just put hot sauce in there. And I just wanted to say that I'm gonna do my best to vlog on Not Nation for an entire year. All of 2022, I'm gonna make my job to vlog for the entire year. See where that takes me on this channel and see if it opens up any different avenues or series or ideas of what I can take, where I can take this channel. So come along on the journey, and the best part is we're gonna be doing a lot of it with the retro gear. You already know this Panasonic's coming with me all the way. Yeah. Now don't worry, this isn't no mukbang video. I'm not gonna make you sit there and watch me eat a whole meal, but I do want to say it does look good. The plate is mad hot. Okra, some ancient food. So anyways, I'm gonna finish this lunch and then we're gonna go to the Wata store. Hey, come here. Cook this thing. Cook, stay. Woo! Experience this when you're driving with long locks, where there's just nowhere for them to go. Sometimes if I have them up or back, then I can't put my head like near the headrest. I'm kind of leaning forward a bit. Sometimes I can't turn and check my blind spots properly. But yeah, the other day one actually got caught in the door when I shut the door. What are your long lock? We got water, let's move. And one more thing, my friends. I'm gonna be playing around with this genre a little bit, but ideally, since I'm filming on mini DV tapes, I'm gonna do my daily vlogs, continuously filming it throughout the weeks, but I'm gonna upload the footage like maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks, and then start editing these. I guess I'll do it every week, but I'll start editing the vlogs throughout the the retro footage, if that makes any sense, you know? So I'll film throughout the week instead of filming every day, then uploading, then filming, then uploading, then filming, then uploading. I'll just film throughout the week and then start editing and then upload the pieces as they're done. So it's not gonna be like, you know, day in, day out, but it's still gonna be me filming my life daily, and that's the way I'm gonna start out this vlog challenge, by filming myself daily. So, because it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. I don't want to overwhelm myself right away, but this is the way. This is where I'll be editing all my shit too, right there. All right. Now we got the light on. Much more even tone on my face. It's gonna be tough to vlog every single day. I almost already forgot that I was doing it. I just said I was doing it in today's vlog. So yeah, it's gonna be a challenging year, but let's see if it pays off. Yeah, talk about camera stuff, tech stuff, dreadlock stuff, skating stuff. We're just gonna talk about my life, you know, and see what's up. Hope you enjoy it.